Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. Let us now begin the class with an activity which is fairly simple. Now I request each and every one of you to please come here and write name of any one famous personality, and please don't repeat the name which is already written here. Now that you have counted 26 names here, now explain why do you think that there are very few women who made it to this list. If you can actually please just express yourself.
The first name that comes to your head usually is a man, a famous man.
Okay.
Nobody ever thinks of the other gender, which is the female gender.
They are usually meant for, they are forced to be housewives. Everybody is equal, nobody is superior, nobody is less.
If you see in some places, the women are not given as much rights as the men have. They have to cover their face, which is a disgrace in my opinion. They should not be told and made to do such things that hide their identity, which hide them from the real world. Because this is the real world. We have to show who we are, to to make a mark in this world, to place a stamp on this world that we are who we are and we cannot change that.
Can you please just say a couple of sentences about why do you think that that person is famous?
I wrote Gabrielle Chanel because she's one of the most hardworking person I know. She got so much out of such a little thing, and she inspires me to do something, even though it's easily not achievable.
Madame Curie, because she is the woman who was one of the first people that worked towards gender equality.
I find all of you to be very strong advocates of gender equality. So what is that you would like to do something on the ground level, like now or later in your life? If you can just actually reflect for a while and then express yourself. Yeah, just please.
As a student, it is a really common issue that all of us use very sexist language, like mankind and words like that. So first of all, I'll try to avoid such language as much as possible and try to use gender neutral words. I even correct my family when they use such words.
In my village, women are not considered equal to men and they are not given the proper education. So I want to change that, ma'am. I want to do something very well and then inspire the people in my village to send women to school.
When would you like to begin this?
When I grow up,
Okay. So that will be when?
after the age of 18.
Okay. but before you turn 18 also, can you do something, say, on a smaller scale, like as they have just expressed?
You can stop.
I can teach small girls.
Okay. Those who require some academic help.
So many people are also saying that when I grow up, but that's because we're kids, so nobody takes us seriously, and but so we have to also we also have to tell everybody that we're serious about this, and we as kids also have opinions and they should respect that.
To change the situation, I would like to show demonstration of the sort of work that women can do by bringing our school together in a campaign for women's rights, for showing that women are equal to men, that we can just be as equal to them, as good as them, as strong as them.
Have you heard of Sustainable Development Goals? SDGs. These Sustainable Development Goals have been devised by all the countries in the world, and we have to achieve these goals by year 2030, when all of you will be, say, around 24 years of age. By then we need to achieve these goals. Goal 4 is about quality education, and goal 5 is about gender equality, about which all of you have expressed your views. So I think we need to combine these two goals of quality education for ensuring gender equality. Okay, and I am sure all of you will not just only know and feel, but also do something concretely on the ground level as and when you can. Please open your Chromebooks and just type the names of some more women and girls who are not from India but about whom you would like to explore further.